Hey everyone, so I decided to do the Black Radiance Brilliant Effects eyeshadow palette. So I decided to do, I think of all of them, I liked I wanted to try one of these, so I'm gonna do the blue. This is the blue purple. So I'm gonna do the blues in here. And I did use one of my Wet n Wild Idolize. I think this is the turquoise one. So I'm going to start with this pretty blue right here. The darker blue right here. That's better. Honestly, I think the prettiest colors in this palette are the green. I love that color green. But I really like these I forgot what they call them, the diamond from Physicians Formula. Okay, let's see how this goes. Well, it really does reflect like a purple, but it's a blue. Wow. Use this right here. I'm going to take some of that highlighter color. I'm going to put it in the inner corner. And I'm going to use the same one for the highlighting color. Hate when it gets everywhere. Just gonna use regular black mascara and eyeliner, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I just continue to use this Wet n Wild palette, Fair Trade Coffee. I just used this whole palette, the blush, the bronzer, and I used this the watermelon. This one is juicy, it's the red one, so that's what I did with that.